So if you think about the absolute most challenging thing that you've ever faced in terms of your company's finances as an entrepreneurial business owner, maybe that's been kind of dealing with cash flow management, maybe it's been implementing financial systems and technology, whatever that most complex issue has been. Imagine if you could have a go-to finance person that can roll up their sleeves and jump in and help you solve that problem. That's really what Outsource CFO seeks to do. We're a team of chartered accountants and finance professionals based here in Cape Town that work with entrepreneurial companies, helping the guys to kind of rethink, automate and scale their businesses as they go through growth phases and as they navigate all the complexities of running a company. So some of the key challenges we faced before starting to use something like Spotlight reporting has been really to put proper financial information with which entrepreneurs can make decisions in front of our clients. Some of the major benefits of using Spotlight reporting for us has definitely been the consolidation function. Being able to do live consolidation with a tool like Spotlight has changed the game in terms of presenting live financial information that is consolidated at group level. A big part of our value proposition is giving entrepreneurs access to high-level financial information condensed into a format that they can understand, interpret and make calls on in terms of moving their business forward. I think what held us back to start with a tool like Spotlight earlier has been cloud adoption in totality in South Africa. I think is still in the earlier stages compared to the global markets, especially the established markets. Firstly, a huge amount of guys are still using Excel. So what we really wanted as Outsource CFO is high-level reporting capabilities to give our entrepreneurs the information that matters most to them in a sexy, digestible format for decision making. And that's really where we came across Spotlight in the Xero ecosystem and started rolling that out across the client base to solve some of the most complex reporting requirements that we've had. So what I would say to another firm that's considering to use Spotlight reporting is to really look at what kind of value you think you want to add to your clients. If it's just putting the numbers together and presenting them, that's one thing. But if you want to play that role of a trusted advisor that's adding value to the growth and scale story of your clients, you need a reporting tool that can speak the same language, that can put the high-level metrics and KPIs on the table that the entrepreneur needs to see in order to take those next steps to move forward. So I think for us, like playing the CFO role, we need to be able to add a high level of value to the client's business, and we need a tool that can speak to that at the end of the day.